So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this interesting geometry problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure AB is equal to 16 centimeter. So this AB is equal to 16 centimeter and the AC is equal to 14 centimeter. So this AC is equal to 14 centimeter and this BC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC is equal to 10 centimeter and PQR is in circle of triangle. So this is in circle of triangle ABC. Then we have to find the area of this blue region. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. So we can write this blue area as this area APOQ. So which is A. Let's denote this point by P. This is O. This is Q. So this whole area APOQ. And if we subtract this red sector area, which is this part, then we can get this blue area. So this is the strategy. So this APOQ area minus red sector area is equal to this blue area. So now you see this figure. In this figure, if we assume this AQ as X, then we can also write this AP length as X because the AP and AQ both are tangent to the circle and they are from the same point. So the length of AP and AQ are same and which is equal to X. So AQ is X, then AP is also X. And you see this whole length is given in the problem as 14 centimeter. AC is given in the problem as 14 centimeter. So if this is X, then the remaining length is 14 minus X. So this distance CR is also 14 minus X because the CP and CR both are tangent from the same point, which is C. And this whole length given in the problem as 16. So if this length is X EQ, then the remaining is 16 minus X. And this also will become 16 minus X because these two lines B, Q and BR are tangent from the same point. So this is the thing. And we know this length BC in the problem, it is given as 10. So the 14 minus X plus 16 minus X summation will give us 10. So from here we can find the X value as 10 centimeter. So now we know the X value. Now let's assume R be the encircle radius. So the radius of this circle, uh, let's assume it is equal to R. Then we can define the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC as, let's assume ABC are the sides. So the semi-perimeter are A plus B plus C by 2. So one side is 10, one side is 14 and one side is 16 and divided by 2. So the semi-perimeter value will come like 20. And we know the relation between the area of the triangle, semi-perimeter and the encircle radius as area of the triangle is equal to semi-perimeter multiplied by the encircle radius. And we also know the area. So area of the triangle is equal to semi-perimeter multiplied by the encircle radius. And we know area of the triangle square is equal to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is the Heron's formula. And we now know the semi-perimeter value, which is 20, and one side is 10, one side is 14 and one side is 16. So from here you can find the area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula. It will come like 40 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle we find out, and this is equal to the semi-perimeter multiplied by the encircle radius. So we know the semi-perimeter of the triangle value, which is 20. So from here we can find the encircle radius as 2 root 3 centimeter. So now we know the encircle radius as 2 root 3 centimeter. So now you see this figure. So in this figure, if I join this A point to this O point, so there are two triangles are forming. One is AOQ and one is AOP. So this triangle is symmetric to this triangle. So this whole area APOQ is simply 2 times the area of the one triangle, which is half times the base is 10, and this height, which is equal to the radius of the encircle, which is 2 root 3. So the area of the triangle is 10 root 3 and multiply by 2. So it will come like 20 root 3 centimeter square, which is the area of this APOQ. So this is the area of this APOQ. So APOQ is this whole area, which is simply 2 times of this one triangle area, because this triangle and this triangle is symmetric, and we find out its value as 20 root 3 centimeter square. Now you also see this triangle. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. From the center of the circle, if you draw perpendicular to the tangent, it will touch this point Q, and this angle will be 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. So we can write tan of angle OAQ, which is this angle, is equal to the perpendicular divided by the base, which is 2 root 3 divided by 10, which is root 3 by 5, and you can find its value from the calculator. It will come like 19.106 degree. So if you know this angle, which is 1990, and you know this angle as 19.106, then you can find this angle value as 90 minus this thing, which will come like 70.894. So this angle value is 70.894 degree. And how we find this? Because we know the sum of the triangles, uh, sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. So from that property, we find out this value as 70.894 degree. So now we know this, and we also know this angle is also 90, and this angle will be same as this angle, and this angle will be same as this angle. So this angle will also like 70.894 degree. So the total angle, this total angle will come like 2 times of this angle, which is 141.788 degree. So we also find out this total angle as 141.788 degree, and we can now easily find out the area of the sector, which is this area. We can easily find out this area like this uh, angle divided by the 360 degree and multiply by the area of the circle square. So this is the total area of the circle, which is pi r square, and we want to only find out the portion which is only uh, producing like only this angle. The total angle we know it is 360. So 360 degree producing pi r square area. So how much area will be produced by only this angle? So we can easily find out the sector area. So sector area is this, radius we know 2 root 3. So we can put values and it will come like 14.848 centimeter square. So this is the red sector area. Now you know the red sector area and total area. So you can easily find out the blue area as this A P O Q area, which is 20 root 3, and the red sector area is equal to this. So you can simplify this, and after simplification, this area will come like 19.793 centimeter square, which is this blue region area, and in this way we can solve this. So hope you like the video. Then we will meet in the next.